As you can see, we're in a python sanctuary. It's like the big python, and my dad is inside. I don't know how did he get there in there. He's inside, and Carlos Agassi is there, and zookeeper, and big python. How long is it?
17 feet long.
7 feet?
17.
17 feet long. Yeah. 180 kilogram? How about the other one?
210 kilograms.
210 kilogram, and how long is it?
16 feet.
16. So this one is longer than 1 feet. 1 foot.
Ang kaya na python.
Oh, there's... Oh, and it's it's alive. Hello, say hello.